Welcome back. Today, we will learn how to use Quizlet as a teacher. This is my lesson plan for today, and for this lesson plan I am using Quizlet to teach my students. Search for Quizlet and click on it. Here, you can see I already have an account and I am logged in. It's a very easy process to log out, so let's start from zero. I will create a new account. Here you can sign up with a Google account, Facebook, or you can enter a new email. I will go with a Google account. Select your birthday and username. Click on I am a teacher. You can set your settings from here or you can skip it. This is the main dashboard. Click on Create. Here, I have different options. I will select Study Set. Enter your title here. For example, introducing weather vocabulary. After that, put your description about the title. You can even import descriptions. Here, enter the term and its definition. Don't be confused, this is the lesson plan where I mentioned that I will teach the students these words. Here, one by one, I will enter them. For example, sunny, and here's the definition. When the sky is clear and the sun is shining brightly, with no clouds covering it. You can also upload an image related to sunny. Let's select this one. After selecting, if you think it's not a good one, you can easily delete it. So, follow the same step for every vocabulary. Next we have rainy. Put the definition and select an image showing rain. Third, we have cloudy. Give a definition and upload an image related to cloudy weather. Fourth, we have windy. Give a definition, select an image. Lastly, we have snowy. Write the definition. Upload an image. After completing this, click on Create. It will save it. Now let's review our cards. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy. And way to go! We have reviewed all the cards. Here, you can see the terms and the definitions. Scroll up and you will find many options. Like if you want to add to folder, add to class, save and edit, print and many more. Even you can see class progress here. You can edit and share it with anyone. Here, you can see we can share through email and other platforms. Just copy the link and you can share it through WhatsApp. Now let's review the game and activities. Click on Match. Click on Start Game. Here's what we need to do. Select the word and the word definition. Let's say rainy, cloudy, and its definition. Snowy, sunny, windy. Here, you can see it says, "Nice work, but can you match even faster?" Because I stayed there and explained it to you. Even you can play it again, or the students can share the score. So, let's go back. Now, let's check flashcards. Here, just click the card and it will show the definition. Click on Next. Let's go back. Let's check the Learn. You can skip this personalization. In this round, we have a definition and we need to select the correct word for it. Let's say sunny. Rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy. This is the issue with this site. It can distract the learners, but ignore it. Now, let's check the test option. Here you can select what type of test you want. True and false, multiple choice, matching, written. So, I will go with multiple choice only. Here's the definition, and we need to choose the matching term. All done, ready to submit. Now you can print the test. Take a new test and review with flashcards. So, it's all done. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.